House Lead Prosecutor Jervy Luistro says that the impeachment trial should continue regardless.
From my last recollection, 74% ng mga Pilipino ang gustong-gustong matuloy na itong impeachment trial na ito. And remember, the allegations in the present articles of impeachment are the same allegation in the articles of impeachment back in the 19th Congress. Ibig sabihin, we are dealing with the same questions on threat, confidential fund, bribery, and unexplained wealth. Which means, simula 19th Congress hanggang sa oras na ito, wala pa pong naririnig na kasagutan ang sambayanang Pilipino.
Further, the House sent a letter on Monday morning to the office of Secretary Renato Bantug Jr., who is under the leadership of Acting Senate President Win Gatchalian. Luistro added that a special session may be called upon by the upper chamber for the senators to discuss and possibly elect an impeachment presiding officer other than Acting SP Gatchalian. The most crucial part is for the senator judges to be physically present during the trial.
It is therefore my humble position na dapat present lahat ng 24 senators. That is, they are intending to respond to their constitutional mandate.
Sa proseso ng pagpapalawak ng political participation, in-encourage din natin yung lahat na magkaroon ng sariling live streams. No? I'm sure meron yan sa ating mga bahay, sa classrooms, pero magtipon din tayo sana para pag-usapan yung issue. Beyond, syempre, sa pagbasa ng updates at pagbasa ng interpretations, tayo mismo ay gumawa ng sarili nating critical na pagtanggap doon sa mga nangyayari.
The prosecution team also expects to receive the official notice about the filing of the pretrial brief, the start of the pretrial conference, and the start of the trial itself within the week. Kapatid Amy Atienza, we are